Welcome back to News Channel 7 at noon. You know, it's just amazing the advancements that are made in plastic surgery these days. It's a lot less invasive and it's so much easier to get a facelift. And joining me today to tell us about a brand new procedure now being offered here in our community, Dr. Ceydeli.
Yes.
Appreciate you coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
You're a pretty new doctor to the area, but 2 months you've been here now?
Yeah, 2 months. A little less than 2 months actually.
Okay.
You know, I already feel like I'm home. When they ask me where am I from because of my accent, I say I'm from Panama City.
Well, there you go. Already a local. That'll certainly work for us. Now, today you're telling us about this brand new procedure that you're bringing to the Panama City area. It's called the MAG-5.
That's right.
First of all, before you tell me exactly what the MAG-5 is, how does it differentiate from more traditional facelifts? When we think of facelifts, it can be, the traditional ones can be quite invasive.
Yeah. Actually, you know, I don't want to mislead everyone. It's an invasive procedure as well. It's not one of those quick facelift procedures, but it kind of addresses the different part of the face, which I think the more aesthetic part of the face, the eye region and the mouth region. So the traditional facelifts usually address the lower face, maybe the neck, but it doesn't do anything to your eyes. And I think the eyes and eye region is the most aesthetic unit of the face. Maybe the entire body, because that's how you communicate with people. You look at their eyes and it's the same thing. So this specifically addresses those areas.
Okay, makes the entire face look yours.
Yeah, it kind of puts everything back to where they were. Instead of pulling it in a different direction, it kind of lifts everything up. As you age, as everyone ages, everything pretty much on the face drops. And instead of pulling them to the sideways, it just lifts them up and put them where they belong, or maybe where they were 20 years ago.
Why is it called the MAG-5?
It's Magnificent 5. It's yeah, I love that term. It was named actually. I was trained by Dr. Flowers in Hawaii, and his office staff actually named this procedure. You know, during these meetings, he has been giving that talk for a while to the plastic surgery community, and his office staff saw the procedure before and after results, and the results are magnificent, and there are 5 interrelated components, and that's how they came up with that name. He was using more kind of medical jargon, but I think this is a better name. Okay,
now you said results. Tell me about the end result with a procedure like this. It's overall more youthful, very natural.
Oh yeah, I think that should be the aim in any plastic surgery procedure, especially on the face. If it looks like a done look, it's not a good procedure. And this kind of gives you 15 to 20 years back and puts your eyelids where they were before. And instead of creating an operated look, it gives a more natural, rejuvenated look. It's a rejuvenation, not a transformation.
And younger women are getting this too. Middle-aged women, middle-aged men.
Oh yeah, it's for any, I would say, sex, race, and age, especially. Facelift usually addresses the ages after 55 or 60, but this will be a perfect procedure even after 35, because you don't age overnight. You age, it's a gradual process, and that's a pretty powerful procedure starting at age 35.
Now, a lot of people probably want more information about the MAG-5. There is a free seminar coming up.
Oh yeah, Bay Medical put a seminar. I think it will be great because I think over 50 people will be there, so I can talk a little bit more in details about the procedure and maybe answer the questions, whatever they have.
More in depth, and see some good before and after pictures. That seminar is going to be Thursday night at the Panama Country Club. Important to reserve a seat, and you might want to call 747-6541 to reserve your seat that Bay Medical is putting on. Dr. Ceydeli giving some before and after pictures and talk about this interesting procedure.
We'll talk whatever they're interested, but mainly about the face and MAG-5.
Okay, and if anybody wants to contact Dr. Ceydeli, you can do so through Bay Medical Center?
Sure. My office is there in Bay Medical as well. So.
Okay. All right. Well, it's great to have you here, the Bay Medical team in the Panama City area, and best of luck with your practice.
Thank you very much.
Of course, don't forget Thursday night at the Panama Country Club is where you can get more details about that. Call Bay